Today, I'll show you how to transfer money from bank account to PayPal. First, open the PayPal app on your phone or go to PayPal in your browser. Sign into the PayPal account where you want to add money. Before starting, make sure your bank account is already linked to PayPal. If it is not linked yet, go to Wallet, then choose Link a Bank or Add Bank Account. Follow the instructions to connect your bank. PayPal may ask you to confirm the bank before you can use it. Once your bank is linked, go back to your PayPal home screen. If you are using the PayPal app, tap your PayPal balance or tap Add Money beside your balance. Then choose from your bank or debit card. If you are using PayPal on a computer, go to Wallet, click Transfer Money, then choose Add Money from your bank or debit card. PayPal's current help page lists this as the standard web flow. Now enter the amount you want to transfer. Check the available transfer options. In some accounts, PayPal may offer an instant option using a debit card or a slower bank transfer option. PayPal says bank transfers can take several business days, while eligible debit card transfers may be faster. Choose the option you prefer. Before confirming, review the amount, source bank, transfer speed, and any fee if shown. If everything looks correct, tap Add, Transfer, or Confirm, depending on what appears on your screen. After submitting, PayPal should show a confirmation message. You can check the status from your PayPal activity page. When the transfer is complete, the money should appear in your PayPal balance. Keep in mind that this feature may not be available in every country or for every account type. In some regions, you can use your linked bank to pay through PayPal, but you may not be able to manually add money to your PayPal balance. If you do not see the Add Money option, check your PayPal wallet, update the app, or use PayPal in a browser. So, to keep it simple, link your bank account, open your PayPal balance, choose Add Money, select your bank, enter the amount, review the details, and confirm the transfer. And that's how you transfer money from bank account to PayPal. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.